Ever wondered how to design a scalable chat application like WhatsApp or Slack? Let's break it down step by step in just 3 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to tackle this system design challenge. First, let's define the requirements. Functional requirements: real-time messaging, message delivery acknowledgement, like seen or unseen. Group chats, non-functional requirements, low latency for a real-time experience, scalability to handle millions of users, high availability, and fault tolerance. Now that we're clear on the requirements, let's dive into the architecture. At a high level, our chat system will have three main components. Client application handles user interactions and sends requests to the server. Chat server manages connections, processes messages, and handles group chats. Database stores user data, message history, and metadata. For real-time communication, we'll use WebSockets to establish persistent connections between clients and servers. This ensures low latency for message delivery. Let's see how we'll handle message flow. When user A sends a message, the client sends the message to the chat server over a WebSocket connection. The server validates the message and writes it to the database for persistence. It then forwards the message to user B's client if they are online. If user B is offline, the message is stored and delivered when they reconnect. To handle group chats, the server replicates this process for multiple recipients, ensuring scalability. To handle millions of users, use load balancers to distribute traffic across multiple chat servers. Implement sharding in the database to split data across servers. Add a caching layer like Redis to store frequently accessed data, such as user presence and recent messages. For fault tolerance, deploy servers across multiple regions and use replication to keep databases in sync. And that's how you design a scalable, real-time chat application. The key is to define your requirements, choose the right technologies, and focus on scalability. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe for more quick system design tips. Got a topic in mind? Drop it in the comments below. Subscribe for more system design tips.